Hello, I'm Nancy, Pampered with Diamonds, and I'm unboxing two Diamond Dot canvases. What two am I going to unbox? Well, I was asked to unbox these two canvases. So, which two? Well, to me, their color palettes are very similar. So I have completed one of these already, and it's beautiful. And I have not completed one of these. So one of them was done, one was not done. And I wanted to do them back to back because I felt that the colors overlapped. So now we're going to actually see if they do. So what are they? Well, they have birds in common. And they're soft colors, but very pretty. So let's see what they are. There they are. One is called Birdhouse Welcome, and the other is called Welcome Home. The names are even the same. Well, similar, not the same. So we're going to do the smaller one first. Maybe we'll open it from the bottom. I don't like ripping my boxes. Not before I do them anyway. So this was one I've actually completed. And I think I gave it away, the completed picture. Okay. Now I'm going to roll it backwards because. Now this canvas is super soft. Apparently I have not opened this before because the instructions were still in it. Okay. Look at that. Look at that. It's got 26 colors, 2 special drills, and I have completed this. I blinged up this sign right here. I blinged up this sign right here and the birds. I remember blinging up the birds and a little bit in the flowers too. I remember doing that. So, yeah. This one's very pretty. So it's got 2 special drills. The V. Where is the V? Okay, the V is like a white color, very light. It's right here and here in this flower. And then it's in here in this flower. And then the downward triangle is going to be a soft green, and it's going to be here in the leaves. And here, it's going to be in the leaves. Very pretty. Very pretty. So you get your basic toolkit, the tray, the wax, the squishy, and the pen. And let's see these colors. There's 26 of them. And I'm going to turn the canvas upside down so you can see the colors better. Very pretty. Oh my gosh, it's right up my alley. Yep. So if you're not a fan of dark colors, this is a canvas for you. Like I said, I've already completed this one, and I don't like to do canvases twice, so this will probably be a gift for someone. or I will destash it. It's just I got them on clearance. Couldn't turn it down. All right. Now, I did not see this. Oh, here they are. These are the special drills right here. This one. This one is number 5002. And this is 5008. It's the green. Diamond Dotz has very nice special drills. Very nice. So looking at the palette, it is very, very colorful, very pastel-y. Pastel-y. Is that even a word? I know pastele is a food, one of my favorite foods. It's a Puerto Rican dish. And I actually have some in my freezer. So that's these. And there's the instructions. So while I have this out, I'm going to take this one out, and we're going to compare the colors. Ooh, it looks like I have it upside down. Well, not really upside down, just very pretty. Okay, now I'm going to look right here at the two color grids. This one has 33 colors and a lot of similar colors. And this one has no special drills. But if you know me, it will have special drills. So I haven't sat down and compared the colors yet, but not sure which ones are the same. There are some differences. Yep, there are some differences, and right off the top, from what I can see, I don't see any duplicate colors, but it kind of, seeing it unboxed, they are different palettes, but on the box, they looked very similar. That's what I'm talking about. You can look at the box, and then when you pull the canvases out, they're very different. Yeah, the colors are different, and that's fine. They're different pictures. This is all discombobulated. Okay, ooh, this one came with a special pen. Ooh, nice. Came with a multi-placer, some baggies. This is a built-up kit. So these are the colors for this one. And they kind of look, the pinks look the same. So 80, 65. There might be one or two colors that are the same. No, it's different. They're just a shade off. So let me put this one away, because that one goes to the Birdhouse. So we're going to hide that one. But this is the canvas, and they're both partials. Forgot to show you that on the other one. This one is 13.8 inches by 17.7 inches, which is the design size. You don't diamond paint the outside or the white background. Okay. Here are the colors. Again, nice palette. I have not completed this one. Pretty. And I will probably bling up the birds or the yellow flower, probably that yellow flower, and the birds. Ugh, I don't like those colors. But they're necessary and they will look great on the canvas. And the last train. Some greens in here. Some blues. No special drills though. So let's see. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? Very pretty. Very pretty palette. And you know I will bling it up. This one's a good small project to do in between the bigger ones. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? Look at these birds. And their beaks. You don't diamond paint the beaks or the eyes. Interesting. Interesting. But I'll probably do these the yellow in these flowers. In this big one down here. And in this one here. And in this one here. And then I'll probably put some ABs in here. But I'm not sure. So this one is 35 centimeters by 45 centimeters. Or 13.8 inch by 17.7 inches. This one I got at JoAnns. Remember JoAnns? Yep, that's where I got it. Okay, it's got 33 colors. It has 7,786 drills. Not a bad amount of drills. Now this one, Birdhouse Welcome, is 35 centimeters by 27 centimeters, 13.8 inches by 10.6 inches. It has 26 colors, coming in at 3,393 drills. A little less than half of the other one. Look at that. So this one, I think when I did it, it only took me like 2 or 3 days to do it because it wasn't my only project, but I could do this probably in 2 days. Because there are some line color blocking in here that were fairly easy to do if I remember. So this is all going to be confetti, and there is color blocking in here. Color blocking is where it's multiple of the same color, and you can just multi-place and just move right along. Confetti is where you constantly have to change, put a different color drill down, constant. You work on one color for like 3 or 4 spaces, then you got to put it away, get another color, work on it for about 7 spaces, put it back, get another color, work on it for about 6 spaces. That's confetti. Color blocking, see how this has got all ends here? Ends, 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 and then 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, and then R's, 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 R's. So you can take the color out, work just in this area, and knock it out real quick, because it's all the same color. Confetti takes you a little bit longer. So, okay, now I don't want to mix this up. This one says welcome home. That goes there. So this must be this one, which is Birdhouse, welcome. So we want to put, and the canvas is so soft. Can you see that? It's not rough at all. It's very soft to the touch. Is that for this one? Yeah. Where is the bag? Oh, right here. Right here. Very soft canvas. I think when you got them in JoAnns, the canvases are different than when you buy them from Walmart, because I don't remember if Walmart canvases are this soft. I don't think so. I think they're a little rougher to the feel, to the touch. So that is Birdhouse Welcome. And then this one is Welcome Home. And let me know in the comments if you think where I'm going to bling it up, if that's a good idea. Or what's your suggestion to bling this one up? Because I have not done this one yet. Come on, stay. Okay, we're going to fight with this off camera. All right, I am pampered with diamonds. I like it a lot. Let me know if you do too, or if you have these two. And be kind to everyone.